Hi, igama lami nguKhanyisile Ngwakacwele. I come from NC Foundation and also I am a member of CFCI. Okay, today we actually collaborated with different organizations from the community of Umbilo along with CFCI. In the Esbegala, we are raising awareness of drugs and health awareness because we can see ukuthi community yethu la Umbilo has been affected kakhulu ama drugs. So we want to fight against that. We want to bring abantwana abobhuti bethu nabosisi bethu who are who are homeless, who don't have homes. We want to bring back them to the society. That's why we are here. Ukuthi sizothi nalabo azali nalabo abasemakhaya who are actually suffering because of abantwana who are into drugs. We want to also assist them ukuthi nabo mabakwazi ukuthi babe ingxenye yalokho nabo basizakala. There are many number of things because abanye babo basuka emakhaya are right. Then uthola ukuthi they also start drugs. Abanye babo, they actually have really serious problems and then ubabone sebengena into drugs as a solution. But also okunye kwabo it's peer pressure. Abanye babo, they're starting from high school. Uthola ukuthi there's a bully in school and then baqale kanjalo uthola ukuthi they will be influencing each other still in school. Bese kuyaqhubeka kanjalo bagcine sebetshaya ama drugs ahlukahlukene. Then also abanye babo, they start in varsity babona abanye abangane and then they think ukuthi it's a cool thing to do and then base bayaqala and then they move on to ama drugs ahlukahlukene. No, I don't think so. The government is actually not doing completely umsebenzi omningi because I think they are just looking at it at a higher level. They're not going to the basics. Ukuthi, where is it starting from? And also ukuthi, how are they can also help abantwana, because we need to be more involved, especially starting from 12 years. We need to be involved ngoba labo bantwana baqala in those ages. We need to introduce izinto ezikoleni. We need to have workshops. We need to educate them. We don't have to shy away because it's something that is there right now. We need to speak about those things and then kubeke ukuthi ingane ziyafunda and then as they grow they will know how to differentiate good no bad. There has to be a way of controlling it because umntwana manje abantu sebeyakwazi ukuthola umntwana ona 5 years ahamba esitolo ayothenga ugwayi and the owner of the shop unoma umuntu okuyena who is the manager or who is the representative ofika amdayisela umntwana. They don't ask questions, they're not following up because basically uma ngabe lezi inkampani ziyabhala ukuthi it has to be 18 years and above, but manje usubona ugwayi usuphethe umntwana ose high school, of which there's no control into this. We also trying, we haven't done enough. It's still the beginning and we're still gonna do more. Well, I wouldn't point out a lot or I'll just share my view. There has to be something the government has to do about because it's something that we see that is going on and they have to do something about it. If a person tells you you are nothing, if a person says vele awulutho awukwazi ukuba lutho, getting all these negative comments, no matter how hard they try, kwesinye isikhathi they see it pointless ukuthi why should I change because I'm already viewed that way. Uyaqhamuka abantu bayabaleka, they are no longer viewed as people, they are now viewed as these villains. So kunzima ukuthi kube nabo bakwazi ukushintsha. Singabantu besifazane, we are doing our best. We try our best and we pray for our children. We do try by all means ukubakhombisa indlela. Yes, as abantu besifazane we affected kakhulu ngoba egcineni thina esigcine sisala nemsebenzi ngoba uthola ukuthi most of us we are single parents. So uthola ukuthi umntwana ugcine sehlukumeza wena as umzali. So singabazali, I think we need to come together and fight this thing together. Kungabe ukuthi omunye umzali mangabe evelelwe inkinga kanje and then sibabukele phansi. We need to come together and fight this as unity. Well, I best believe ukuthi akhona amabandla that I know of that are actually as njengaleli lethu ukuthi we are doing our best to collaborate njengoba senzile nje namhlanje ukuthi sihlangane with the community sisebenzisane and kukhona namanye amabandla futhi sisebenzisane nawo ukuze kuphumelele. So amabandla nawo I think they are actually trying their best ukuthi kutholakala solution to this.